My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2021 Vauxhall Corsa. This vehicle has done just under 15,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a petrol fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, as well as our keyless ignition. On the right, we have voice control, automatic wipers, and automatic headlights. To the left of our screen, we can access radio and navigation. To the right, we have smartphone integration, Apple and Android CarPlay, our photos and SMS, and our driving functions and vehicle settings. If we put the vehicle into reverse, it comes with parking sensors. Just below the screen, we have our AC with heated seats on either side. We have the choice of 3 different driving modes to choose from: Sport, Normal, and Eco. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that all of our seats have a black leather trim. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5, and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.